Our star, the sun, it's big, it's bright, and it's the reason we're all here. Without the sun's energy, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock. It's the heart of our solar system, keeping everything in check with its gravity. The sun is a giant ball of hot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. It's constantly fusing those elements together, releasing enormous amounts of energy. That energy travels through space as light and heat, reaching us here on Earth. Life as we know it depends on this delicate balance. But what if that balance was disrupted? Imagine the sun inching closer to Earth. It sounds like a science fiction movie, but the consequences would be very real. Even a small change in the sun's distance would have a huge impact on our planet. The Earth orbits the sun at just the right distance for liquid water to exist. This habitable zone is what makes our planet so special. But if the sun moved closer, our cozy planet would quickly heat up. The most immediate effect of a closer sun would be a dramatic rise in temperature. Days would become hotter, and summers would be scorching. The sun's rays would be more intense, leading to more sunburns. Ouch! But it's not just about feeling the heat. A hotter Earth means changes to our weather patterns. We'd see more extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts. As temperatures rise, the polar ice caps and glaciers would begin to melt at an alarming rate. This melting ice would flow into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise. Coastal cities and low-lying areas would be at risk of flooding. Imagine entire islands disappearing beneath the waves. The delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems would be thrown into chaos. Section 5. Life on a hotter Earth. The impact on life on Earth would be catastrophic. Many plants and animals wouldn't be able to adapt to the rapidly changing climate. We'd see mass extinctions and a decline in biodiversity. Humans would also face immense challenges. Food and water shortages would become widespread. Extreme heat would make it difficult to live in many parts of the world. Section 6. Could we survive? Could we survive a closer sun? It's a daunting question. We'd need to find ways to adapt to a hotter, more hostile planet. This might involve developing new technologies to cool the Earth or finding ways to live in extreme environments. It's a reminder of how precious and fragile our planet is. We need to protect it, not just for ourselves, but for all life on Earth. Section 7. The sun's energy friend and foe. The sun gives us life, but it can also take it away. It's a powerful force of nature that we need to respect. By understanding the sun's energy, we can learn to harness its power for good. Solar energy is a clean and sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. By investing in solar power, we can reduce our reliance on polluting energy sources and mitigate the effects of climate change. Section 8. Space, the final frontier. If Earth becomes too hot to handle, could we escape to space? It's a popular theme in science fiction, but the reality is much more complicated. Space travel is expensive and dangerous. While we continue to explore the cosmos, we shouldn't see it as a backup plan. Our focus should be on protecting the planet we have. There's no planet B. Section 9. Our future on a changing Earth. The sun will continue to shine for billions of years. It's up to us to ensure that Earth remains a habitable planet for generations to come. We need to act now to address climate change and protect our planet's future. By reducing our carbon footprint, investing in renewable energy, and protecting our natural resources, we can create a brighter future for all. The fate of our planet is in our hands.